Hello all, and welcome to KMT. In this video, we will share 5 tips and tricks about your PlayStation 4 console and PlayStation controller that you probably didn't know and will definitely find useful. Stay tuned till the end because tip number 5 is sure to surprise you. Tip number 1. When you are prompted to type on your PS4, you can of course use the touchpad or the D-pad. But many gamers don't know you can also type by tilting your controller. When the keyboard pops up on your screen, hit R3 and tilt away to type. Tip number 2. You might already know this one, but you can charge your controller while it's in standby mode. Go to Settings, Power Save Settings, and select Supply Power to USB ports. You can select Always, 3 hours, or Off. Tip number 3. Sometimes you want to play on your own and don't want your friends to see you're online when you sign in. So to do this, hit the Option button on your controller when you are about to log into your account and choose Login with Offline Status. Tip number 4. We all know we can remap or customize button assignments in-game. But you probably didn't know you can also customize button assignments in the PS4 settings menu as well. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Button Assignments, and enable Custom Button Assignments. Now go ahead and remap the buttons to your liking. Tip number 5. You can actually operate your PS4 with your voice using PS4 voice control. To use the voice recognition feature, select Settings, System, Voice Operation Settings, and then select the checkbox for Operate PS4 with Voice. Now, to use the voice control feature, start by saying PlayStation and wait for a microphone to appear on the screen. This usually takes about a second. Then say your command, like home screen or take screenshot. Thank you for watching KMT. If this video helped you out, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below.